Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to set bank rules in Xero. So this one is my bank statement which I am going to import, and here you can see there are 5-6 entries of bank fees. So I'm going to set bank rule for this particular bank fees entries. Okay. So in accounting, just click on bank account. So you can see here there are two banks, HSBC and NetWest. Now in manage rule option you can see the bank rule option. Just click on that option. Now we can set bank rule for three kind of entries: for spend money, receive money, and transfer money. So bank fees is obviously its charges. So we have to set a rule for spend money. Okay. Now here I have to add some conditions and do basic settings. Okay. And the first option is apply bank rule. So I'm going to enter only one condition, so I can select either of one option. Now in field, I can select any text field. You can select pay description as per your requirement. So I'm exactly what going to do. Whenever fees were come in any bank entries, this bank rule will apply on that particular entries. Fine. So I'm just going to select any text field here, contents, and in value I'm going to enter fees. So whenever fees were come in any entries, this rule will apply on that particular entries. Fine. You can add multiple conditions as per your requirement. Fine. Now in set contact, I have to create a new contact, and I can create contact with name bank fee. Fine. So this one is also mandatory field, so you have to do. Now in allocate line items, I have to enter the basic details like which code I have to select. Then I can enter description, same way tax rate, which going to apply on bank fees. Okay. So in description, I'm going to enter bank fees. In account code is 4040 for bank fees, and tax rate is no VAT. Now in percentage, it is 100%. Now I can select the references from the statement, or I can set during the bank reconciliation process. Same way I can use this bank rule for any specific bank or for all the bank. So I'm going to select NetWest Bank only, and you can change name of the bank rule. Okay. So and bank fee is fine. Now simply select this rule. So you can see our rule has been created, and you can edit the rule from edit option. You can edit and make modification. You can delete the rule from here also. Now I'm going to import that particular bank here, and whenever bank fees entries come, this rule will be applied on that particular entries. Okay. So I'm going to import a statement in NetWest Bank current account. Okay. Now select the file. Next. Now you can set rules as per your requirement, like for bank interest, for deductors roaming. Fine. Same way for internal bank transfer. So my statement has been imported successfully. You can see 14 items, and let's see. As you can see in bank fees line, you can see apply rule bank fee. So you have to just click on OK. Okay. Same way you can also edit and click on don't apply rule if you want to proceed normally. Fine. So you can see on one click we can do all the allocation and reconciliation process easily. Fine. Now you can see there are 3-4 entries of bank interest here. Okay. So it's income side. Now let's create a bank rule for bank interest. So we can also set rule from option. Fine. Now click on create bank rule. So this time receive money rule, we will select the type receive money rule. Now and enter the details. Value is bank interest. Now same way we have to create a new contact bank interest. Now we have to set the basic code for bank interest, then tax rate. Okay. So in description, I am going to simply enter bank interest. In account, I can select interest income. Tax rate is no VAT. Okay. And percentage is 100%. Now in set references, I can select from statement details, or I can select simply during bank reconciliation. And I'm going to apply this rule for NatWest Bank only. So our rule has been created. Now you can see whenever bank interest entry come, this rule will be applied on that particular entries. Okay. And on single click, we can allocate and reconcile these entries. So in this way, we can create bank rules for particular items, for particular line items. Okay. So with the help of bank rule, we can save our time and we can do allocation and reconciliation process easily and quickly. Fine. Same way, we can create as many rules as per our requirement for spend money, receive money, and transfer money. Okay. So in this way, we can create and set bank rules in Xero. Okay. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.